Is the HP Mini PC computer worth your money? Or are there better options available? The HP Mini PC computer is a compact desktop solution that's designed to deliver strong performance in a tiny package. With its Intel Core i7-12700T processor and 32GB DDR4 RAM, it handles demanding business applications, multitasking, and data processing with ease. Let's dive into the details of this powerful little machine. The key specifications of the HP Mini PC computer are what make it so compelling. The Intel Core i7-12700T processor boasts 12 cores and 20 threads, making it a beast for handling resource-intensive tasks. Paired with 32GB DDR4 RAM, you can expect seamless performance in even the most demanding applications. And with its lightning-fast 1TB storage, boot times are virtually instantaneous. But what really sets this mini PC apart is its design. Measuring just 6.97 inches by 6.89 inches by 1.34 inches, it's a fraction of the size of traditional desktops while still delivering top-notch performance. The compact design makes it perfect for placement on a desk, behind a monitor, or in tight spaces where space is at a premium. The display capabilities are also noteworthy. With triple 4K display support via HDMI 2.1 and dual DisplayPort 1.4, you can connect up to 3 high-resolution monitors for expansive multi-screen workflows. This makes it an ideal solution for finance professionals, programmers, and content creators who need multiple displays to stay productive. But how does it perform in everyday use? The answer is surprisingly well. With its powerful processor and ample RAM, the HP Mini PC computer handles multitasking with ease, making it perfect for tasks like data processing, video editing, and more. And with its quiet design, you can work without distraction, even in a shared office space. In terms of connectivity, the HP Mini PC computer has all the ports you'd need, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort 1.4. It also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, complete with enterprise security features and professional productivity tools. So, what are the main advantages of this mini PC? For one, its compact design makes it perfect for small workspaces or home offices where space is limited. Its powerful performance and seamless multitasking capabilities make it ideal for demanding business applications and creative tasks. And with its triple 4K display support, you can stay productive in style. On the other hand, there are some limitations to consider. The compact design also means that cooling can be a bit of an issue, potentially leading to throttling under heavy loads. Additionally, the lack of upgrade options for the RAM and storage may limit its lifespan. In conclusion, the HP Mini PC computer is a powerful and versatile solution for anyone looking for a compact desktop PC. While it may have some limitations, its strengths make it well worth considering for those with demanding work requirements or limited space. For current pricing and more details, check the links below.